Hello and welcome to Formosa News. I'm Mike Lee.
Good evening. I'm Celia Chan. Taiwan has reported 2 new locally transmitted cases of COVID. It's first in 3 weeks. One case is a hospital doctor who had treated a COVID patient.
And the other is the doctor's girlfriend, who's a nurse in the same hospital. Tests for all their 464 contacts have come back negative.
Taiwan has been hit with local infections once again. One new case is Taiwan's first doctor to contract COVID.
Today, I will report on the 2 local infections that everyone is very concerned about. One is a doctor. He had been inside a COVID-19 patient's negative pressure isolation ward to help with intubation. On January 8th, he started developing some very mild symptoms. On January 10th, he felt unwell and reported it to the hospital. He was tested and diagnosed with COVID. He's now patient number 838. Patient number 839 is a nurse, but the assessment is that she was not infected at work. She's a close contact of the doctor, his girlfriend.
Tests have come back negative for the 2 new cases' 464 contacts, who include hospital staff, patients, and family and friends. Even so, the CECC has established additional safety precautions for the hospital.
With regard to the hospitalization ward, patients may only be discharged, and new patients may not be admitted. This morning, patients in the ER were transferred to other hospitals. In general, hospital visits are now forbidden, except in emergency situations, which will be evaluated at the discretion of the hospital. The limit of 1 private caregiver per patient and the requirement of real name registration will remain in place. Already, all patients who received care by the 2 cases have been moved to isolation wards and are being treated as if they were COVID positive. All hospital staff will be tested again in 3 days.
The CECC also released details on the 2 patients' whereabouts in the days before the diagnosis. On January 8th and 9th, they visited the Metro Walk Shopping Center in Taoyuan's Zhongli, as well as a Starbucks and a Zhengyu hardware store on Taoyuan City's Guoji Road. All these locations have been disinfected by Taoyuan's Department of Public Health. People who were at any of the 3 places on the same 2 days should begin self-health management and report all symptoms to authorities via the 1922 hotline.